Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. Well, today I have prepared TORBORGEE. It's KITTLY and mixed with billable TORBORGEE. Basically, every time I'm making a TORBORGEE if I'm cooking KITTLY, I always mix it with billable as well, because I don't want the soup to be too bitter, so I always put billable in there too. So yeah guys, as you can see, I have snow crab in there, I have oxtail, dry turkey, fish, shrimp, like the usual meat I always cook with. I have everything in there. Yeah, I mean, this is how I prepare my TORBORGEE. I mean, basically I didn't use a TORBORGEE oil. I use a regular water oil because I didn't have TORBORGEE oil, so I cook it a little bit differently. Like basically, like, you cook the TORBORGEE, you put, and then you let everything dry, then turn the stove off, put the soda and everything, then put the TORBORGEE oil. I didn't cook it like that because I was cooking with water oil, so I had to let the oil to boil along with the soup to come to a point of drying, before I can TORBORGEE it, because like I said, it's not TORBORGEE oil. So yes guys, I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share. If you are new to my channel, I'm grateful and happy to have you guys. So welcome to my channel, and I hope you guys have fun watching this video. And if you see anything that I did wrong, make sure you leave me a comment down below, because like I say, everybody cook differently, so everybody do things differently and stuff like that. So yeah, this is how I cook my food, and it's very delicious. And I mean, hey, who don't like food? I love food, so everything, all my food is delicious to me, is to my mouth. So like I said, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching, and God bless. So guys, as you can see, I had already properly meat up, clean it up, put the chicken feed, the turkey neck, and like the things I want to cook in the pressure cooker. And the pot, I have some fish, I have some smoked crabs, turkey, not turkey, but oxtail, all the meat I usually cook with, basically. So it's already seasoned up in the pot, and this is dry chicken, dry shrimp, and a fresh shrimp. So they are just sitting on the side waiting to get through in there when the meat is a little bit cooked, because I don't want it to overcook. So here is my billable and my KITTLY. I had 2 bags of KITTLY and 2 bags of billable. I have also onions and tomatoes. These are already like cooked and propped from the farm, like not the farm, but when I go to the farmer's market, buy them, come peel them up, cook them, and put them in a Ziploc bag, like this. So yeah, they are already cooked, but I'm still gonna cook it again. So right now I'm just gonna wash it up. I always do, because they've been a little bit still from you propping them and putting them in the plastic, Ziploc bag to be in the freezer. So you still want to clean them up. I know some people just throw them in the pot or whatsoever, but I don't. I still wash it and still try to wash it up and put in the pot and season it up and let it just boil, and stuff. So yeah. As I get money, I start to import. All the ugly girls with the lucky face one, I start to export. Follow me for Instagram. Like, I just love to cook clean, because even you are not like the best cooked, But if you cook, like you cooking and somebody walk into your kitchen and they see how dirty your kitchen is, they, they won't want to eat that food. They'll be like, ugh, that's just disgusting. Like, I was in that kitchen, I saw when she was cooking, like it looks like a hot mess, You want the person to say, oh, okay, like, because like the person cooking the food, it looks so clean around, around the store, the kitchen is clean. They're willing to try to see, maybe it may not be like the best taste, but they will eat it because of the cleanness. But if you're cooking it, your surroundings is all dirty looking and stuff, somebody walk into your house or your kitchen and you done cooking, they ain't gonna eat that food. They'll be, oh, I'm full, I just keep on eating, like, telling you all kinds of lies. And also, like, African people, like, they love to take meals, like, gossip. Like, they're going to somebody's house. Oh, I went to this girl's house. She was cooking. It was so disgusting. Like, I just want to walk out of there. Like, they'll be making all kinds of remarks and stuff like that. So, yeah, I'm just putting the pepper in there. That's how many pepper habanero I put in there. Maybe, like, 6, 7. I decided not to be cooking too many pepper because my daughter, she's starting to act like she don't like it. So now I'm just washing the tomatoes up. I had already cut it up and I'm just dropping it in there. And I'm saving my Ziploc bag too because I might need it later. I try to clean as I go because when you don't cook it sometimes you're so tired, and for you to just come again and just have to wash all the dishes, clean up after yourself, it just make you tired and oh gosh. So when I'm cooking, I always clean as I go, clean as you go. So now I'm just cutting up the onions, cut everything up, put it in there. I signed KITTLY, I know ask her how much I paid him in dollars. There's nothing money cannot do, I made Messi go keep her for bonus. If I write exam, I know the border again, I don't care if I come last. Put a little bit of, like I said, the stuff, the KITTLY and the bitter they are already cooked, so you don't have to boil it for 10 hours to come, maybe like 15-20 minutes or so. So for the pepper, the tomatoes, and the onion to cook too. So I had already seasoned it and just let it boil. There you go. Everything is all ready. The chicken, everything is cooked. All nice. I'm going to take the shrimp out of there so it don't, mash up. I already took the fish out. I had to open it and take the bones out of it so they don't all break and the soup be too bony, because my husband don't like fish like that because of the bone. So when I'm cooking fish, I make sure and take the bones out of it. So yeah, now I'm just gonna put it in the blender and blend it up. This is one of my favorite soup I love to cook because it's not that long. It don't take you like 3-4 hours to cook. Maybe the most you might be in the kitchen is like 2.5 to 3 hours and stuff, because like the KITTLY is already processed, like which means it's already cooked and stuff like that, and you don't have to do so much to it, like peeling it and stuff like that. You just gotta maybe clean the meat up and put it in the pot, and stuff like that. So I love to cook this soup because it goes a little bit faster to me. So I had already blended everything up and put it in the pot, as you can see. And add it up to the meat basically. I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning in there, like chicken soup, the Maggi cube. I think I add like 3, maybe like one. I think it was like 1 big one and 3 small ones. So, no, 2 big ones and 2 small ones. Then you just let it boil a little bit so the water can dry. I'm adding the turkey neck and the chicken feet in there.
I get money, I can start to enjoy. I open my company, all my village people now here I employ. Everybody went on me before, come they call me your Gabon boy. I marry my girlfriend, you know, reach 2 weeks now.
When I'm cooking, I cook a lot of soup. I don't, although yes, you know, it's YouTube, you're trying to show people how to cook. Sorry that if you feel like I'm cooking in a big old pot, because when I'm cooking my house food, because I don't cook like little at a time. I just cook for like a whole week soup, you know, because, you know, it takes a lot when you're cooking African food. You don't want to be over the stove every day and cooking. This is not Africa. You gotta have like one meal every day and stuff like that. You just cook it and freeze it up. Hey, you want to eat? Put it in the microwave, warm it up, and call it a day. Yep. That's the water oil. And the water had already drained down a little bit. I just added water oil on there, and I'm just gonna let it boil. It comes to a point that it's not like no water, but like, you know, like very hard for you to see it basically. So.
As I get money, I enter Monarch fresh.
Lower the stove a little bit, because you don't want it to burn. Adding the shrimp. And right now I'm just going to take the bone out of the fish.
Nice idea, Patoranki, my brother. The approach is clever. Like rich monk, I dash my money on a daily to whoever.
Yeah, sometimes, like for me, I'm greedy. If I'm eating too, and you trying to swallow that food so fast, oh Lord, it's sad when you're greedy. But yeah, you know, you don't want to keep picking in your mouth, like, you know, taking the bones out and stuff like that. So sometimes this also saves you. And if you have kids and you're cooking with a lot of fish and stuff, you also have to watch out for the little kids, because some of them don't know how to save themselves, to protect themselves when they have bones in the food. You know, sometimes they make mistake and swallow it, and then that's a whole different problem. So, like for me, I have an old lady in my house. My daughter, she's like an old lady. Like, she never get choked. Like, she know how to, you know, she would take that bone out before you even know it. Sorry for laughing, but yeah, she's, my daughter is, she's 3, but she's an old lady. Like, oh my God, she's amazing. When it comes to eating African food, she knows how to eat African food. She don't get choked. Like, her daddy be crying from bones and stuff, but she be looking at him like, I know how to feed myself. I don't let that stuff mess me up. So I just took the bone out of the fish, and I decided to save some because I felt like it was a lot of fish. So now I'm just going to see how the water is stirring it as well. Just keep stirring it. I see how to stir it a special way so you don't want it to burn. Put the fish in there. So once again, guys, thanks for watching my video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share as well. And I'm grateful to you guys. You know, it's like I get subscribers every day. I'm grateful. You know, I'm not in a rush. It's like, you know, I want for people to be really interested in this channel. I don't just want it to be like something that you can just, oh, I don't, you know. I just want it to be the rightful channel for everybody to watch. That's why I give a little bit of everything to everybody. So I had turned the stove off. Now that's the country soda I'm putting in there. It's country soda.
As I get money, I enter Monaco. I carry my 3 Igbo wives in Kechichi and Adako. Unko in the masala, dukan kukuzo gidana mpaku. Na so EFCC every day, na me and Biggie the taco. As I get money, I go do meeting with Nepa.
My thing is a lot, but it's not that you want it to be TORBORGEE. TORBORGEE is basically like solar and oil. You want to, have that. You want to taste the soda in your mouth, basically, I think. Well, yes, guys, that's how you cook with water oil. If you want a TORBORGEE or water oil, that's how you cook it, because if you cook it the other way around, it might just be too much water. So thanks for watching, and God bless you guys. See you guys later in the next video.